where the land meets the sea and the sky echoes with the roar of strength. A new chapter of India's power begins at the dawn of the Mega Tri-Services Exercise 2025. On every inch of our soil stands the courage that guards a billion dreams. This is the strength of the Indian Army. In the boundless skies, where speed meets precision, soars the pride of the Indian Air Force. Across the deep blue, where silence meets strength, the Indian Navy. From the guardians of the sky, to the sentinels of the sea, and to the amphibians on the land, and the steel on the deserts. One flag, one force, one nation. The power of integration comes live in the Mega Tri-Services Exercise 2025. The skies will thunder, the seas will stand guard, the amphibians will rise strong. Coming soon, India's Tri-Service Exercise. Gear up for exciting updates as the action unfolds.